Welcome to the global salt race. In 1950, as the world recovers from World War II, salt is no longer just a kitchen spice. It is the lifeblood of the exploding chemical industry. Watch how the US and the USSR immediately dominate the charts, driving post-war reconstruction with millions of tons of industrial brine. Look closely at the European shift. Rebuilding nations like Romania are tripling their output using advanced borehole mining. Meanwhile, China begins its quiet but steady climb up the ranks, driven by massive coastal solar salt operations. By 1980, the United States secures a massive lead. Winter road de-icing across North America and Europe turns salt into a strategic winter commodity, pushing extraction to unprecedented heights. A massive geopolitical crash. The collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991 completely shatters the Eastern Bloc's numbers. Former giants like Ukraine's Artemsol now navigate independence, causing a sudden drop in the charts. Unbelievable momentum. China officially overtakes the United States, fueled by an insatiable demand for caustic soda and synthetic materials. The Asian economic dragon is now the undisputed salt king of the planet. 75 years of data prove one thing. Salt is the hidden foundation of modern civilization. From a fragmented Western-dominated post-war market to the absolute dominance of Asian industrial giants, the geography of salt reflects the shift of global economic power. Which country's rise surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next data race.